Sandwich told me this morning that he has an idea for the Wheel of Birds cold open. So take it away, Sam.
Okay, let's go.
The best part of Wheel of Birds is that I get to pull on some research threads about these birds, and no matter what, it always turns up something interesting. This week, we're going to go from the Salvin's Prion. We're going to talk about salty snot, and then we're going to end up delicious Filipino street food. Let's go. Prions are little seabirds. They feed on zooplankton, things like little shrimp and krill. They end up swallowing quite a lot of salt water and they have to get rid of it. So prions will excrete the salt through their nostrils. You can take a look at this prion here and you see that it has really big nostrils, which are made for that purpose. That's not the only weird thing about prions. They actually produce something pretty special. It's called stomach oil. It's a combination of waxy esters and other chemicals. At first, ornithologists thought that this stomach oil was a defensive thing. They would barf it up on predators. But it seems clear now that this is mostly used as an energy source for their young. You might know that birds have an organ called a crop, where they often store rocks that allow them to digest food like seeds. Right below the crop is another organ called the proventriculus. This is where prions store that waxy ester which they barf up to feed their young. Now, I wouldn't try this with prions, but with chickens, you can deep fry the proventriculus, put it on a stick, and you've got a pretty tasty street food from the Philippines. New York City is well known to be the place where you can find any type of food, so if you'll excuse me, I'm gonna go look for a proventriculus on a stick.